Hello, in this session we're going to talk a little bit about grammar. We're going to refer to the particle very to see when we use it. Very is normally used to emphasize an idea or a fact in a positive or in a negative way. For example, it's not very easy. Okay, it's difficult, it's not very easy. So that would be in a negative sense. Working for that boss is very hard. Very few of them are coming to my wedding, okay? Very few of them. We can use very much before verbs in order to emphasize them. Some of these include agree, doubt, fear, hope, like or want. For example, I very much agree with those new options and solutions. Okay, so I emphasize that I really and totally agree. I very much agree. We can use with verbs admire, appreciate, enjoy or regret the particle much or very much. Okay, either of them. For example, they very much enjoyed having to stay at home, or they much enjoyed having to stay at home. Although it's more common to say they very much enjoyed doing this. Okay? We can use very before participle adjectives, for instance, disturbed, disappointing, etc. For example, I was disturbed to hear the news, but we can't say I was very much disturbed, okay? That is incorrect. I was very disturbed to hear the news. Her attitude was very disappointing, okay? We use very much or much before a past participle that is part of a passive sentence. For example, new roads are much needed in order to connect all these small villages. Or new roads are very much needed. Okay, here we have the passive are needed. Okay, and that's it for the time being. Thank you very much. Bye bye.